Thank you for buying this 1098 lock from Fixture Displays. It comes with two keys. Part number for the keys are 1041 lock key. And the details of the dimension of the barrel as well as the diameter, you can find that on one of the listing photographs. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is CS, that's Charlie Sam, short for customer service, at fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. Install and uninstall this lock. It's fairly straightforward. Some quick measurements just for your reference. The tongue overall length is 1.3 inches. The barrel depth is about 0.63 inches. This is a good lock to work with a lower profile board or panel or even sheet metal. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you lost your key, you can enter 1041 key on fixturedisplays.com to locate the keys. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture.